How to fix DoorDash login error. So if you're having issues logging in with the DoorDash application, it could be also due to your internet connection or the app or the browser. If you're using a browser, you can try to clear the cache files of the browser that you're using by simply going to its settings. This depends from browser to browser, so I'm just kind of skipping this process. Secondly, you want to make sure that your internet connection is stable, and last but not the least, you want to make sure that you have an account to the account that you're trying to log into. And just in case sometimes you might have happened to forget your password, actually you can just try to reset your password as well, or it will ask you to verify the code, so you can simply verify the code that was sent to your email as well. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.